So here's how you can change calendar color on the iPhone. This is how it works. Let's get started. If you're new here and first time on Foxtecc, most definitely hit the subscribe button so that way you stay on the top of the game with your phone. Anyways, you go to the calendar app as usual, you open it up and you need to just click at the bottom on the calendar icon within the calendar, and it's going to show you the different types of calendars you have, right? For example, in my case, I have the home, work, untitled, which is just an example, but I can click on the information icon next to it, and this lets me change the color for that calendar, right? So I can change it from those main ones which are appearing on the list, but I can also click on the custom, which lets me go and access the full color palette, so I can really play around with it and I can pick, the exact color I want if I really want to be very specific. But that's how it works, and that's how you can separate your different calendars. Obviously, you can go to a different type of calendar, like let's say I'm going to go to the work now and also perform the very same change in here, right? So I as well just get to change the color for that. So that's how it works. In contrary to the Google Calendar, where we can change the color of any event, here in the Apple Calendar we can only change the color for individual calendar, right? So that is how it works. That is the difference. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon in the upcoming videos as well. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.